Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Unarc dynamic link library error and error code minus plus. So here, usually or mostly while installing old games or old software, you encounter this error. And of course, you need to fix it. There is some method out there, but I usually use this method to fix this error. So first thing to do, you can hold Windows key and R key in order to open run box here and open msconfig. Here you can type msconfig, click OK in order to launch system configuration. Here you can click on boot option and click advanced options, and you can click number of your processors and set into the maximum processor that you have. I'm using 4 because my Ryzen 3 3200G is maximum has a 4 cores. This like PC CPU cores, processor cores. And you can click OK and try to restart your PC. Then you can reinstall the game or the software. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.